Okay, so this is GitHub link. I'll first, I'll log off. Hmm. I'm just logging off my GitHub. Okay. Now sign out from all accounts. Okay. Okay. So this is the GitHub. Hmm? Okay. So now what you need to do, you need to configure, okay, this GitHub. Why this GitHub is required? Okay, go forward, right? In IT organization, we use the third-party repository where we store all our SQL queries and framework-related things. Okay, we keep it here itself. Hmm? And you can upload your entire project also in the GitHub, and you can use this GitHub, and you can upload it, even you can make update in your profile also. If someone wants to see it, okay, you can show them as well. Hmm? Whenever you do intern as a fresher, when you try, right, then you need to use the GitHub to upload your profile. I mean, not a profile, code and all project, whatever you do the project, right? You can upload. Hmm? Okay, that way we can do. So now I have already configured my GitHub. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in off. Okay, I'm just logging my credential with my credentials, and I will just check. Hmm? So if you are new, then you can create an account. So just it will give you the few details, and you can create. Once you sign in, right? Okay, then it will come like this generally. Hmm? Okay. So here, you can see introduction to GitHub, GitHub pages, hello GitHub action, code with a copilot, something you get like this. Hmm? Okay. And either you can create a public repository or now what I will do, I'll create one public repository so that everyone can authenticate. Hmm? Okay, so you can chart anything here. So, okay, so similarly we can do. Hmm? So here also top repositories, whatever I created earlier, right? So these are all my repositories. So now I'm just going a new, hmm? And in the create, if you see here, create a new repository, and this is my owner. I mean, I am the user, right, as your DWH tech. So here you can see the uh, name. Hmm? Okay, and if you want to go your profile, you can see here, and your repositories, and your copilot, your projects. Okay, everything, your organization, everything you can see it here. Hmm? Okay, so now what I will do, I'll create one demo SF. Okay, repository. Demo, demo SF. Hmm? I just creating like this. Demo SF is available. And I'm creating a public add a read wave file. Okay, and create a repository. I'm just creating a repository. Okay, now you see my I created a repository. Okay, so now you got this demo SF and here code, and here everything. This is the actual user account. Okay, and this is your main branch. Now what I will do before pushing into main branch, Hmm? I will create a um, okay, so this is a main branch. I'll create a new branch here. Hmm? I'm just giving you the here dev branch. Hmm? Dev branch. Create a new branch here. I'm creating a new. Okay. And I created a one dev branch. Hmm? And what I will do, I'll create another branch called hmm, ITG branch. Hmm? SIT branch. Hmm? I'm creating another branch and I'm creating a UIT. Yeah, I'm creating like this. I have created a branches here. Hmm? This is the default main branch. Hmm? And I'm creating SIT UIT like this. Okay. Now what we can do, I'll go here. Okay. And I'm going to my repository here. Here I'll go to the dev branch. Hmm? So now I'm in dev branch. And here I'm just in the code, right? What I will do, I will create a open GitHub desktop and code space. Create a code space in the on dev branch. I'm creating here. Two things you can create, okay? One is directly you can create a what I will do, I'll create a instead of here. uh, I will upload the file instead of directly create a new file, create upload instead of code here. So here itself, what I will do, I'll create a new file. I'm just creating a file content. What I will do, I'll push my procedure. Generally, I have here one procedure. Hmm? Okay. This procedure, I'll take this. This procedure. I'm copying this procedure. And my procedure name is this one, right? Hmm? I'll take this procedure and I'll give procedure name here. Okay. Now I have created a one file. But still just I pasted it. Now this is my procedure. Okay. What I will do, I'll remove this one. Okay. This is my procedure. And then if you see cancel changes, now you see here demo SF. Under that, I created a file called this one in new branch. Sorry, dev branch. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to here, if you see, use Control Shift M to toggle the tab to keep moving focus. This uses leave it. And here you come, you just commit the changes. Okay, I'm just committing and commit changes. This is the my file. Commit directly the dev branch. Yes, I'm committing the or create a new branch for this commit and start pull request. And what I will do, either we can create a new branch already I have created, right? First, what I will do, I will push that into dev branch directly instead of pulling. Next we will see, using this one. So commit. Now I have created a file called, okay, this. break out of loop. Okay, this one I created now. Hmm? And here commit one commit ahead of hmm, branch. Now I have uploaded my file in this dev branch. Okay. Now if I see here in the main branch, do I see this text? Hmm? No. Okay. But now if I compare and if I try pull request, okay, then this file it comes to the here. Okay. Before that, what we will do, we will see hmm, here. Okay. Here hmm, here in this here I have. Now what I will do, compare and I will execute this hmm, because dev branch has recent push 1 minute ago. And what I am going to do, I am just comparing. Hmm, add a file. Okay. I'm just using this same file name and I'm trying to create a pull request. Okay. I'm just trying to create a pull request. Now, this will validate the checks internally. Okay. And this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. Okay. Now, if you see here, this is very important. Okay. Azure, this guy, Azure DWS Tech wants to merge one commit into main from dev branch. Okay. I created a dev branch and I have executed here. And from here to here, I'm pushing. No, if you want to push that into dev branch, from dev to ITG, what you need to do here, you have to change this, okay, to SIT. Okay. Here you have a pull request, right? Mm, we are trying to now new pull request. Where I am. WSF. I'm trying to make new pull request. Compare across folks. Compare. Okay. Hmm. Well, I'm just trying to pull here somewhere to choose a different branch for folks. Main to main. Here. Hmm. Okay. Now I'm pushing from the branch to SIT branch. Create a pull request. Okay. Also here. If you want to add any changes, yeah. Now, first, and I'm creating a pull request. Okay. flexibility merge. Okay, so it validates if there is anything. Now you see from dev branch to it is pushing into SIT branch. Okay, in case if you have any changes, okay, then it will validate and it will see if there is same, it will fail sometimes. If there is any syntax error also, it will. Now what I am doing, I am just preparing a merge pull request so that it will push into SIT. Now you see confirm merge. Okay, now merged commit 1447D34 into SIT branch now. Okay, now you see I go here, this is merged. Okay, file changes. Okay, and here this is the procedure. And if you want to review, yes, you can review. Okay, and you can give anything if you want to. For example, hmm, looks good. In IT, you will get the approval also. We can add approval also. That also I'll show you. And then if you see now, this particular code was moved, in the branch. That I will show you now. I'm coming back here and yes, in the SIT branch, okay, you see in SIT branch, you got the breakout of loop. This procedure, we got it in 7 minutes ago. Like this, we can pull the data from, if you see now, okay, from dev branch to SIT. Now, if you see here in the UAT branch, there is nothing here. See, you don't have nothing here. Okay, and here you see in main branch you don't have nothing. Okay, why? Because you have just pulled from, okay, dev branch to SIT branch. So like this we need to do in the real time. Okay, you need to create like this, and you will get once your approver provide the submit, and once he merge into your request, so once you request the branch, right, then only this will push into actual branch. Okay, and for production, you need to create a pull request and everything, and then you need to take that link and you need to update in your implementation. Then only your platform team guy, DevOps guy, he will push the code from UAT branch to production main branch. Okay. So like this, you can see here how many branches you have. Okay. And SIT branch had recent push. Okay. Compare and pull request. Generally, if you see here, okay, this is already merged, right? And again, it is asking for a SIT branch to main branch. Now, if you want to push that into UAT branch, yes, you select this one. Okay. And here create a pull request. And here you see whatever you have created, draft pull request cannot be merged until marked ready for review. Okay. And open all requests that is ready for review. Hmm. Like this, you can create a pull request. I'm just creating a pull request now. Okay. So now again, this is moving from SIT branch to UAT branch. Again. Okay. So I'm just now I'm pulling because no one is there for me to review, right? Code and all. So directly I'm just merging. Merge pull request. So now it will ask, merge pull request has the Azure set branch. This commit will be authorized by Azure DWH Gmail. So I'm just saying yes, confirm merge. Now, if I mention confirm merge, it will validate and it will see pull request successfully merged and closed. Okay. And it goes, if you go here, now here you can see this file. Okay. See, same you can see. Now you have a one more request. Why? Because it is showing because actually your main branch does not have anything, right? Okay, so here in your main branch you don't have. Now finally all checks and balance everything is done. Now I will push that into my final production branch. Okay, from UAT to production. See UAT to main branch. If you want to give anything name or anything, you can give. That is not like that you get. And the create here is also this is first to production or anything you can give. And if you want to take out, create once you create a pull request, you can mention attach file, flashes, something you can do. Create a pull request. See, every time it is verifying automatically. Okay. We can give for a review also. That also we will see. So now I'm again merging this into main branch. Okay. Now you see UAT branch to main. So file changes also you can review. Okay. You can see the file changes, what file it is moved. And then if you come to the main branch, okay, breakout of the loop. Here you got this. This is how we can push the code into I mean from one branch to another branch. So this is how you need to do in real time. This is common. Maybe here we don't have all authentications and all, right? So here we are seeing very easily. Okay, we are moving from one branch to other branch. But what will happen in the real time? You will get some here. You will get some authentication. For example, you have created a code and everything you uploaded in the Git. Some dev branch you uploaded and to push that one folder you will create you from the folder you if you want to move into uh, if you want to push that into your dev branch, then first of all your lead has to verify whether the code is correct or not. If your lead is correct, once he will get the one request. Okay, like this, once your lead opened, right, he can see like this actually. Once he can see like this, he can validate edit file, something we can go, some commit changes we have, right? Hmm? So we can validate and we can give the commit saying that yes, your file is, yes, your file is good and looks good. Then what we do, we will approve. Then only it will go to the merge and pull request. Once you merge and pull request, and it will ask finally to merge. When I click merge, then it will go to the branch, main branch, dev main branch. Like this git is very very important to understand how we can create a file. There are two ways. Okay, you can install github in your local system, or else directly you can upload here itself. So whatever what we do generally, okay, we create a file and we create that logic and everything, and we upload directly here itself instead of pushing uh, through the command prompt. Okay, so we do it here itself, and our developers what they will do once they create, they will try to create a pull request and all. Okay, so we first they will create a file and they will try to pull request, and they will give us the link actually. Okay, so this is how they do, these things. So now this is we have right here. Hmm? I'm just clicking here, and here you will get the copy of profile, um, open symbol pan. So something you can copy here. No, code action project settings history. We can copy the path here. I think actually once you create a file, right, you can create a actions. You need to understand little bit, okay, so that it is easy for you after that. Security also we can create. Security advisor, give security advisor. We can see many things here, okay, secret scanning. This is main branch, okay, and here something here I guess. We can copy this path actually once we create a file. Upload file or create file. Upload file if you take, okay, you can use this one. Hmm? So create a new branch for this commit and start the pull request. So we can go ahead and create. So what you need to do, okay, you need to install, first of all, you need to configure this GitHub, okay, and then you just create some repositories and practice. And this is just I'm showing you how we can create a pull request and all. And throughout a day, what you need to do, you need to practice, okay. It is in one class you will not understand. Otherwise, what I have to do, I need to split into phase by phase, and I have to take entire 15 days of this class. So to avoid that, I'm already configured, and I'm just explaining you how we can create a repository and how we can create a file and how we can push from one layer to another layer. Okay, this is concept you need to remember, and based on the concept you need to practice with your own. Okay, so because you are not a kid, so that I can take your hand go and explain one by one. Hmm? Okay, so this is the today's class, and please practice GitHub, and tomorrow we will connect a GitHub and a Snowflake. We'll give the link. I'm just trying to see how we can connect this API. Okay, I stuck with API. Okay, this API if we configure, then we can able to directly connect with GitHub and Snowflake. So whatever we do the changes, that will reflect here. That we can see it in the tomorrow session. Hmm? Okay, please practice for now this GitHub. Okay, and today class will be going to close within the sequence. Okay, and let's connect it to. But before that, you just practice the things. Okay, this GitHub, configure GitHub and try to see how you can integrate this one. This